Are you trying to send in photo in TikTok as a message? If you are, then you're watching the right video, because in this video I'm exactly going to show you the process that you need. When you try to send a message and open up the message on TikTok, you can see there is no option to send a photo or a video message. You can send in text, you can send in GIFs and stickers, but there is no option to send in the photos. Even if you use Clipboard or any other application similar to that, TikTok does not allow you to send in photos. So the only way around to this is you need to post that photo on your profile first. Once you post the photo to your profile like this, you can just tap on the bottom right, which is the three dots, and from here you can send in this photo as a message. Just tap on more and search for that person, and tap on their profiles and tap on send. Now if you head back to the message section, you can see that the photo message will be shared on the messages panel. That's the only way that you can send in a photo message on TikTok, and there is no other way. Other than this, if you tap on the share post option that you see on the bottom right, you can also share in posts that you added to your favorite, and similarly you can share your post also. So that was the exact video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on that notification. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.